Welcome to the channel, guys. It's me, FoodMan, guys, and I'm here at Tim Hortons because I'm gonna do the review for the last cookie, the last dream cookie. So we already have reviewed the first two cookies. We did the Reese's Pieces dream cookie, and also we did the M&M dream cookie. All right, so now we're gonna do, check it out, we're gonna do the Rocky Road fudge. This cookie is supposed to be like has marshmallow inside, so I can imagine that melted chocolate, melted marshmallow on a big cookie. So let's check it out, guys. Check it out. I get a few cookies here for me and Gerald, and this little box. So check it out how cool it looks. Look, look at it. It says dream cookies in France, biscuits de rêve, célèbre chaque journey. Bonjour, madame. Bonjour, ladies and gentlemen. So let's check it out, guys. Look it out, man. This cookie is huge. Look at that. Can you see the fudge there? The chocolate there. Check it out, man. Chocolate. You can see the fudge. I see a lot of things here. Chocolate. I think they also put pecans. I'm not sure. But it looked very gooey, man. It looked very gooey. Oh, yeah. Believe me, guys. Believe me, I'm not lying to you. Check it out, man. This cost me $2.49. All the dream cookies cost the same. Approximately $2.49. It will depend, guys. Sometimes it varies. The prices will vary from one province to the other one. And maybe in the United States, the prices might be slightly different. All right. So I will let you know now if it's worth your hard-earned money. All right. You did what you have to do. You work Monday to Friday, sometimes even overtime. And you're so interested in this promo, and you're saying to yourself, is this really worth it? Is it really worth it? Is it really worth my purchase? I will let you know now. So let's take a big bite now. Check it out. How about a giant chocolate here? I can dig it, baby. All right. Wow. What incredible texture, man. It's like you're eating, I don't know, guys, you have tried the Rice Krispies. But I'm talking about the Rice Krispies, the homemade Rice Krispies. The one that you have to mix with melted butter, marshmallow, and then you put the Rice Krispies, put them all together. This is what it has, that texture. They have the very, very gooey marshmallow texture from the homemade Rice Krispies. And then with the chocolate. Wow. Man, I'm telling you, the fusion will blow your mind away for this cookie. It's amazingly delicious. Wow. Guys, there's more joints coming here to Square One. There's more fast food joint. So there is another fast food joint. It's about to open any time from now. And we're looking forward to that. You can have that one.
Okay.
Yeah. Good. Gerald is here with me. He's behind the scene.
Behind the recorder.
All right, guys. So I'm rating this guy from 1 to 10. I'm giving this a 10. So far, all the green cookies from Tim Hortons, I have rated all of them. I have rated them a big 10 because they're all pretty good. I have to admit they did a good job with this. They really did a very good job. Look at that. Oh my God, look at that. I mean, I'm telling you, it really works. It really works for you. It really works for you to buy it. It really worth the $2.50. You're gonna have a nice experience. And you also, if you bring your kids try this kind of donut, they're gonna love it. Children also gonna love this kind of donut. So they have the thing that children love. Big children, small children. Talking about children. From 1 to 92. It doesn't matter. You guys gonna enjoy this cookie. Tell FoodMan Paul Blogs send you. Alright. Don't forget that. And I wish you all a wonderful, beautiful day. Have a great day. And a big hug for each and every one of you. See you on my next review.